There was a time in my life when the pain was so hard that I didn't know what to do. Many nights I cried out to God for guidance because I knew He was the only one who could see me through.
Keys on the counter, his ring on the floor. He swore he was leaving, now he's back at my door. Eyes full of sorry, same shirt as last time. I still smell her perfume while he's saying he's mine. I'm standing in the hallway with one hand on the chain, other hand on my heartbeat, trying to breathe through the pain. God, just tell me, am I crazy to believe Him again? If I open up my arms, will You cover all the shame that I'm in? 'Cause only You see His heart, past the lying and the scars and the sin. God, just tell me if loving like You means letting Him in. Mama says, baby, you better close that gate. My friends say, girl, wake up, he ain't never gonna change. But you saw our altar, you heard every vow, you watched us say forever, and I'm standing in it now. So I'm whispering in the silence while he's crying in his hands. Lord, I'll look like a fool if that's part of Your plan. God, just tell me, am I crazy to believe Him again? If I open up my arms, will You cover all the shame that I'm in? 'Cause only You see His heart, where the wounds and the weakness begin. God, just tell me if loving like You means letting Him in. You are love, not the feeling, but the cross and the cost. You are love, You restore what the world says is lost. You are love, if You say stay, I'll stand when they stay. If You say go, I'll walk away through the tears and the prayers. God, just tell me, I will follow what You whisper inside. If I stay here and forgive, be my courage when they roll their eyes. 'Cause only You know His heart, and You're healing every fracture of mine. God, just hold me if loving like You means laying down pride. He's knocking on the doorway, I'm kneeling on this floor. Lord, whatever You are saying, I will do it. Nothing more, nothing more. If I look like a fool, let it be for Your truth, not for him. God, just tell me, and I'll love like You love to the end.
Thank you, God, for the many nights you held me through my pain and for guiding me in your truth without the shame.